Welcome to another edition of Macro Monday. It's bank holiday today and I've got quite a lot on, so I've tried to make this a real quick one. While it was overcast last night, I popped into the backyard because I needed a flatter light and I knew it was going to be quite bright today. I shot a series of pictures of some of the plants because I wanted a theme of green to run through these pictures. So it's very much a set of images. I was looking for quite abstract shots, and some of them are, some of them are not so much. And really it's the editing of these shots that's kind of kept them together as a group. I used a tripod for this because it was a little bit duller, and to get a decent depth of field you do need to be stopped right down. I still had to have the ISO up at I think it was about 1250. It's a little bit faster than I would have liked, but the noise isn't too much of an issue. So the first plant I'm shooting here is a bay. They've got nice leaves with great little veins running down them. So I just went for a fairly straight shot of one of those. I like the way the depth of field drops off. Second shot is wood sorrel, which is actually just growing by chance in the bottom of one of the pots, although it is quite tasty. There's a little bug on this and I love the heart-shaped leaves. Again, quite simple shot, but I like it. I picked up these thyme plants the other day from Bank Mill Nurseries, and they're just such a tiny little leaf. It makes a perfect close-up shot. Moving on to the mint. This looked like it would be a great shot, but in the end I'm not entirely happy with it. I thought I'd throw it in anyway. Now this is chamomile. It smells great when it's in flower, but these little green shoots are really quite delicate and I love them. We've still got the Christmas tree, which is alive in our yard, and all those needles are crying out for an abstract macro shot. And very similar looking leaves. This is rosemary. It's probably my favourite shot of the day. Those stripes just look amazing. That's shooting the underside of the leaf, I think. So that was probably about 15 minutes of actually taking the pictures. Obviously I've had to shoot a little bit of video alongside that. And another 15 to 20 minutes of editing in Lightroom this morning. The editing in Lightroom, I think, that's given them the coherence. I use the tint quite heavily to keep them all looking a vibrant green. I use subtle adjustments of the texture and clarity, and I adjusted exposures, often either pulling the blacks in or dropping the highlights down to give a smoother, softer image. Just shows that you can do quite a lot in a short period of time if you look closely and have an idea about what the finished result you're looking for will be before you take the pictures. Really hope you've enjoyed this pretty short edition of Macro Monday. It's bank holiday, the sun's shining, and I really want to get out in it. Cheers.